Hello, hello, hello. This is Elle's Committee from Bemis Crafty Corner. And today I'm here participating in a collaboration. Um, this is a project that Tina over at Tina's Crafty Life put out. And it is mixed media index cards, to use for postcards and things like that. And just to be, I want to show some support, so decided to do it. So I am not actually using postcards because I just don't like that. I don't think postcards have the weight required for mixed media. So I'm actually using these, and these are file guides, and they're press board. They're thin press board, and all I did is just cut the tab off of them, and it takes them down to 4x6. Which is a postcard size, and then I rounded all my corners, put a layer of gesso over them just to tone them down a bit. I grabbed 3 random colors of paint, and I've got out my painting bin here with a few of my mixed media tools, and so we're just going to play with these and see where it goes. Okay? Alright. So, let's start with some color. So, use a natural sponge here. I'm just going to sponge on some of this. Oh, let's see. And we've got this purple. And let's use a grass texture. Okay, and we've got this teal blue. Let's get these out of the way. Move all of our, we have this teal blue. Let's see, what shall we do with the teal blue? Let's put it on with a card. And then I think we'll add a little purple here. A couple of dots of purple. All right, so I've got all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up this paint and let these dry, and I'll be right back. Okay, so all of my paint has dried. Still have them on my painty paper. I got a clean plate out. I got 3 new colors out. I have out some daubing and blotting tools, and I have out my stencils here. So I'm going to kind of go through and, find the one I want. Okay, I kind of like this, so we'll pull this one. I like this one. Pull this one. And let's see. Do we have anything else we want to use? No, no, no. Yeah, that's a new one. We haven't tried that one yet. Let's play with that one. Okay. All right. So, I like it. All right, so I'm just going to shake these paints up. And we're going to put a little bit down. Not a lot, because I don't know how much stenciling I'm going to be doing here, but we'll start on this one. And sponge. Sponge. I'm going to hold this down pretty tight here. Yeah. All right, we may come back to that a little bit later. Off to the side. Next one. And sponge dauber here. Okay. I'll just dot that one where it landed. Okay. And another sponge. And another color. Come back. See if we can get a little bit more of that blue. Put that one on. And we're going to do this one. Now we'll do this one in the green. Get that one over to the side. Let's bring this one back in. We'll do this in pink. A line there. And a line here. Going this way. what the heck? Why not, right? Okay. Let's bring the wavies back in. That. I think I need a little more blue. Those. Those. Okay. And there. All right, now I'm going to let this dry and I will be right back and we'll add some more stuff. All right, so we're once again dry. So I decided I'm going to do some decoupage. So I have this paper that everybody tells me is Tim Holtz. I have no idea. I picked it up in a scavenger bag for like 50 cents. But, you know, I've got it, so I'm going to use it. All right, so let's get a Mod Podge brush. Keep my Mod Podge in here just because it's easier to use. And I've got a piece of this, so I'm just going to start tearing it into pieces. Makes my life easier if I just tear it up in advance. So the way I decided to do this is I was pretty much going to do these like, you know, it's going to be for the next, I don't know, like a month. And I'm going to do it like once a week. So I figure every week I'll just kind of do sets. So, you know, I'll do nice sets of them. So this is going to be the first set. Who knows what I'll do with the next set. But, so I'm doing them kind of in a set style. I don't know, I usually don't work on pieces this small, so a little bit different for me. So I'm going to start by opening the Mod Podge. We can open it first. So add some Mod Podge here. And we'll just start attaching some pieces. All right, so we're going to let that dry, and then we will come back and put on whatever the next layer is that I come up with. So I'm going to look around and see what else I got, and we'll see what we're going to throw on here. Okay, so now we've Mod Podged some stuff on here. Cut out some black paint. Okay. I'm happy with that. All right, I'm going to clean this mess up and I will be right back. Okay, that's it. I'm kind of happy. I'm good with these just the way that they are. So this is going to be my first week's entry into the collaboration. So we'll see what I come up with for next week. This is my first week. Now, if you want to, play along with us and you want to collaborate on this and just kind of pop it in, go ahead over and check out Tina's Crafty Life. And I will link her channel below. And you can go ahead and check her out. And I'll also link the channels for all of the other ladies that are doing this as well. Till I see you again, thanks for hanging out with me. And do me a favor, hit the red button and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Bye-bye.